You don't know how to solve linear equation in one variable. I've seen how you people solve linear equation in one variable. How can you say that it was in sixth? Not really. Okay, let me check. Don't worry. Now let's solve a very interesting question. 2 to the power of x upon 2 to the power of x plus 1. 2 to the power of x by 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. 2 to the power of x by 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Find the value of 8 power x upon 8 power x plus 1. Just see this 2 power x as some apple. Just see that 2 power x as some apple. So your problem will look easier for you. See 2 power x as some apple. So technically your given condition is apple upon apple plus 1. Apple upon apple plus 1 is 1 by 4. Apple upon apple plus 1 is 1 by 4. So then the problem looks very easy. You know what an apple is. You can calculate what apple is. But apple is nothing but 2 power x. So you know what is 2 power x. Once you know what is 2 power x, you know what is x is. The moment you know what is 2 power x, you know what is 8 power x. Then your problem is easy. Easy peasy. Come on, do it. Now try. These are real Olympiad level problems on the same chapter. Concepts are same. Just the question difficulty level is little high. That's it. It's only testing how you think. It's testing how you think when it comes to tough questions.
Sir, I did this.
Yes, Arya?
I did this and I got 2x is equal to 1 by 3. For the
Not
first
2x, 2 power x.
Yeah, 2 power x, sorry. 2 power x
Yeah.
is equal to 1 by 3. And then after that,
Wonderful,
what I did is that
wonderful.
and then
Let's
after
assume
that,
you got
sir,
2.
what I did is that I switched out like to 8x by 2x to the power of 3. And then, so then after I did that, then I substituted it. So it'll become 1 by 3 to the power whole cube. And then it'll be 1 plus 1 by 3 whole cube.
Wonderful.
1 by...
The next step, repeat. Very good. Arya, one second. You're doing good. Tell me, what was the next step you did?
Sir, next step which I did is that, sir, so now we have 8x by 1 plus 8x,
No,
right?
don't say 8x. Don't say 8x, Arya. 8
Sir,
power
sorry,
x.
sir, 8 to the power of x.
Yeah. So if we know
Sir,
2 power
so
x, if we need 8 power x, how do I get 8 power x? Very good. Tell me, how do we get 8 power x?
8 power x would be 2x whole cube.
Or basically 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 2 cube whole to the power of x, which is nothing but...
You can also write it as that way.
Yeah. Which is 2 cube whole power x, which can be as 2 power 3x, which is nothing... One second. I'm, for the benefit of the class, I'm extending the steps. 2 to the power of 3 whole power x, which is 2 power 3x. I can write 2 power 3x as 2 power x whole cube.
Yes, sir.
But what is 2 power x? I know 2 power x is 1 by 3. Therefore, basically, this is nothing but 1 by 3 whole cube.
So it's practically 1 by 3 whole cube. Even I got down to that. So it's 1 by 3 whole cube by 1 plus 1 by...
so what is 1 by 3 whole cube? 1 by 3 whole cube is 1 by 3 cube, which is 27.
Yes,
correct?
Sir. So we'll get... So, sir, if you do 1 by 3 cube, then you'll get 1 by 27 by 1 plus 1 by 27.
That's it. That's the problem. You're done it then. So your problem is 8 power x by 8 power x plus 1. That's what you need to calculate. So basically 1 by 27 upon 1 by 27 plus 1.
Plus 1.
Just simplify that. So your numerator will be 1 by 27.
Yes, sir.
your denominator will be 1 plus 27 by 27, which is 28 by 27.
28 by 27.
Therefore, that is nothing but 1 by 27 multiplied with this denominator will reciprocate, right, when it goes to the numerator.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be 27 by 28.
27 by 28 and 27, 27 get cancelled. So it's 1 by 28.
Brilliant. Very good job, Arya. You have done it.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Okay.
So, sir, how's it 1
Oh,
by
you did.
27? Kavya said 1 by 27.
No, Kavya is fine. I think I'm sure she will realize it's 1 by 28. No, she's talking about 8 power x as 1 by 27.
Oh, okay.
Sir,
Is everyone okay?
sir,
Ronak, bol.
sir, how did 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 3? How did it came?
Oh, how
Sir, I can tell you
to
that.
explain? You want to explain? Wait. I'll give you a chance. Wait. Okay, go ahead, Arya.
Okay, sir, shall I begin?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So, sir, first we know that 2 to the power of x by 1 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so sir, sir.
Yeah, I'm listening. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. So then what you can do is that you can kind of like change it into this. Like you can change it into like 4.2. Like if you divide, and you'll get 4.2 to the power of x is equal to 2 plus 1 to the power of x.
What? I didn't get you. 4 point what?
4.2 to the power of x.
Okay. Cross multiplying.
Yes, sir. Is
Okay, so
equal
you're
to
saying
1
4,
plus.
yeah, 4 into 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 into 2 to the power of x plus 1, which is 2 to the power of x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so wait, Arya, let me make it easier for others. Just wait.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me do it for everyone. Okay, Arya, let me do it. Not Arya. Ronak, concentrate. Now, what I will assume is now 2 power x looks little difficult for most of the students. So what I said it, let 2 power x is equal to some apple. Or 2 power x is equal to some anything. You take it as apple. So the problem becomes very easy. It is apple by apple plus 1. Apple by apple plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Apple by apple plus 4 is 1.
Sir, you can do cross multiplication, sir. Sir, you can do 4a.
Always will cross multiply.
So,
So
sir,
4 times of a
is equal to
4a will be equal to a plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
And then, sir, if you
therefore your a on this side, 4a minus a will be 3a.
so
Your 3a is equal to 1.
And then, sir,
Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 3.
Yes, sir. Since
and a is nothing but 2 power x. But this a is nothing but 2 power x. Therefore, your 2 power x is equal to 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Is that clear, Ronak?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Yes, everyone is getting it. Good. Ishan, क्या चल रहा है? Ishan, are you there? Say yes if you want.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Just can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
Yes, sir, we can hear you now.
Good. You want to solve more x's and y's, or you want easy calculations?
Sir, x's and y.
Okay. Take a easy peasy first, then we'll go to the tougher ones. I'll give you one easy. Just see how many of you can handle this. I want this problem to be solved by everyone. I want everyone to tell me the answer. 2 power x minus 2. 2 power x minus 2. No, this is also a good question. 2 power x minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 minus x. Two power x minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 minus x. Find the value of x. No, this is a good question. Very good question. 2 power x minus 2 is equal to 5 power 2 minus x. Find x. This is a real good question, testing your strong fundamentals of numbers and exponents and powers. More than exponents and powers, this is a question to test your fundamentals on numbers. Arya sir, no, it's hard. After I explain you will find it easy. Arjun, are you okay? Do you like this level of questions discussed in the class, Arjun? Just for my understanding. Very good, very good, very good. Arya, no hint. Just a lot, apply your fundamentals of exponents in problem solving, you'll get it. Hint is in the problem itself. X minus 2 and 2 minus x. That's the hint. X minus 2, 2 minus x. That's the hint.
Sir, is X?
Akshat, what is it?
Is X?
Wonderful, Akshat. X is 2. Yes, you're right. How did you? Yeah, Akshat, go ahead, explain.
Sir, I got 2. Sir, I also got 2. X is equal to 2.
How?
Sir, I didn't do any working. I was just remembering my fundament. Then I got
What is that? What did you?
Sir,
any
even
number
I
to
also
the power of
remembered
zero
Wait,
that.
is equal to
Arya,
one.
wait. If someone is talking, wait, Arya. One student is talking, wait. Yeah. Akshat, go ahead.
I remembered my fundamentals. I remembered that like any number to the power of 0 is 1. So it was given that in the powers there is 2 common worth. So 2 and x are common worth. So indirectly it became 2. I didn't do working for that.
So what you are saying is you felt that can you repeat whatever you said once again? Let me understand how you are thinking. Go ahead.
I just remembered my fundamentals, which you taught me, and I remembered like any number to the power of 0 is equals to 1, and we can see that
Correct.
2 is common in both the powers, so we can replace x with 2.
Okay, good. We'll come back to that. Arya, go ahead. Explain. How did you get x is equal to 2?
So, sir, instead of like constantly thinking of something else, I like carefully thought, and I'm like, okay, so what is common in both of them? So then I realized that 2 is common. So I tried out like first 1. I tried out, and then I'm like 1 minus 2 would be minus 1, and then it won't work out. And then 2 minus 1 it would be like 1. So it'll be like it won't make sense. So then what I did is that I'm like instead of like guessing for like random numbers and stuff. Like, let me think carefully, and then I realized that like there's no other way to like make this common. Like, even if you do 3 also, it won't be common. And then I realized that, wait, if both of the
Got
numbers
you.
are
Got
2, like common is 2, and I can also do that for
you.
x also. And then 2 minus 2 will be equal to 0. So 0 is the only way like we can get both of these values to the same conclusion.
Got you. Got you. I'll explain. Got you. Got you. Got you. Very good, Arya. Very good, Arya. So let me explain this problem in two ways. One is using common sense, and another is proper problem solving. So when I look at this problem, 2 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 minus x. Okay. So now it's, if this is x minus 2, this is 2 minus x. Basically, for me, they look like, if this power is apple, this power is minus apple. This power is apple. Power for me is minus apple. So in mathematics, you have to start learning and seeing numbers like that. If this is apple, that looks like minus apple. That way. Immediately, the moment I see that as minus apple, the problem looks easier for me. 2 to the power of x minus 2. And now I see 5 power 2 minus x as 5 power minus of x minus 2. Just observe that. 5 power minus of x minus 2. Right? I am writing 2 minus x as minus of x minus 2, because minus of x is minus x, minus into minus is plus. So this is the same thing I'm writing in a different way. Is everyone okay with that until now? So that I can go to the next step? Okay, Ronak, yes, wonderful. Now, for me, now I can see this as 2 power x minus 2. 2 power x minus 2 is equal to 5 power minus apple will be 1 by 5 power apple. 1 by 5 power apple. 5 power minus apple for me is 1 by 5 power apple. Now the problem looks different for me. I cross multiply, because I can bring this 5 power x minus 2 here. So basically 5 power x minus 2 multiplied with 2 power x minus 2 should be equal to 1. Should be equal to 1. 5 power x minus 2 multiplied with 2 power x minus 2 should be equal to 1. Now it is in the form of a power capital A power monkey multiplied with b power monkey. What is a power monkey multiplied with b power monkey? AB whole to the power of monkey. It looks like AB whole to the power of monkey, which is AB 5 into 2. AB whole power monkey, which is x minus 2, is equal to 1. That means it is looking, problem is looking like, let me stretch it here. That implies it is 10 to the power of x minus 2. 10 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 1. When will be 10 to the power of x minus 2 equal to 1? Here 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0. Basically 10 to the power of x minus 2 will be equal to 1 only when we have power to be equal to 0, because 10 to the power of 0, 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0. Now bases are equal, so power should be equal. That means your x minus 2 should be equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2. That is your proper problem. That's a proper method of solving this problem. That's your regular approach towards this problem. That's a standard approach. The way you should look at it is, hey, I only know formulae that were taught in, radicals and powers, exponents. What did I learn? A power m whole power n is a power mn. A power m into b power m is ab whole power m. I have learned those problem 5 power 2 minus x. How can I make it look? I can only make it look like this. From here, I can make it look like this. I am doing my and just going ahead and applying those fundamentals of exponents and powers and simplifying it. That's one way of solving this problem. There's
Sir,
another
I
way of
just
solving
want
this.
How did you
Akshat,
the positions of the powers in 5, the 5 value?
can you repeat, Akshat?
How did you change the positions of the exponentials in the second value?
I did not
When you
change
took
anything. I just,
minus.
I just manipulated it. I have 2 minus x there, correct? I have 2 minus
Yeah.
x. I have 2 minus x there. I can write 2 minus x as, right, 2 minus x. So basically it is minus x plus 2. What do you mean
Yeah.
by 2 minus x? It's nothing but minus x plus 2, na?
Yes.
From minus x plus 2, I'm taking minus common. So it will be x minus common out. So inside it will be x. This is plus 2. Therefore, it is minus of 2. So minus of x minus 2. That's what I did.
But sir, isn't like took common, but you'll have to multiply it with both the values, right?
No, I did not change the value. Value still remains same. I did not change it.
No,
Observe
no.
this.
When you took like minus common,
Uh,
so you have to open the bracket and multiply it by both of the values,
so
right?
if you open this bracket, minus into x will be minus x. It's minus x only. I have not changed it. Minus into minus is plus 2. That plus 2 still remains as plus 2 only. I did not make any change.
Oh, okay.
So what is the learning here? The learning here is that exactly that's what I want to teach you. When you see x minus 2 and 2 minus x, you should start learning in life. एप्पल है, ये एप्पल है तो ये माइनस एप्पल है, ये डोंकी है तो ये माइनस डोंकी है, ये एलिफेंट है ये माइनस एलिफेंट है. Able to see numbers like that. When I see a minus b and b minus a, what is the difference between a minus b and b minus a? What is the difference? If this is monkey, this will be minus monkey. A minus b, if it is monkey, b minus a is minus monkey. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ये आज के लिए नहीं, जिंदगी भर. आज जिंदगी भर, whenever, all throughout your life from now on, when you see something like this, you should be able to visualize the numbers quickly. X minus 2.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Even if you Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, sir. It's pretty clear right now.
Good. Okay, so that's one way of solving this problem. Now let's use the fundamentals of something that we learned, which I think Akshat has applied in this problem. What we can do with this problem? Let me do it that. Just give me a second. Let me change the color of the pen. So when I see 2 power x, 2 power x minus 2, 2 power x minus 2 is equal to 5 power 2 minus x. One simple thing that I can see here is basically 2 to the power of something is equal to 5 power something. Now, basically, it's possible when the power is 0. 2 power 0 is 1, 5 power 0 is 1, right? So now, is there a possibility of this becoming 0, right? So therefore, you can see x minus 2 is 0 when x is 2. Similarly, 2 minus x is also 0 when x is 2. For that value of x is equal to 2, both are 0. So that's the best way of looking at this problem and say that x is equal to 2. It's a common sense way of solving the problem. It's a common sense way of solving this problem because anything power 0 is 1. So basically, because those two powers are what you call additive inverse to each other, that's the reason x is equal to 2 satisfies there. So But that is not the case everywhere. So for example, instead of this, if the question were to be, 2 power x minus 2 is equal to some other power, say 5 power something else, right? So that it wouldn't have been possible in that case. And anyways, to solve such problems, you require logarithms. So anyways, let's not discuss the problems which are of not your level. So for this, your level, when I say your level, your standard, your class 8th standard. Okay, so x minus 2 and 2 minus x, the only value substituted is x is equal to 2, where powers are equal to 0. Therefore, a power 0 is 1, or even b power 0 is 1. That's how x is equal to 2. I hope you got it. If yes, just say yes in the chat box quickly.